Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. My name is Felix and today I'm going to review another work from home website called dataannotation.tech. And if you're here because you've been researching dataannotation.tech or looking for a side gig to supplement your income or maybe even replace your full-time job, then you're on the right video and on the right channel. So let's get to this. Data Annotation Tech is a company that provides data annotation services to businesses. Let's dissect it a little bit. Data annotation is the process of labeling and classifying data so that it can be used to train machine learning algorithms. So it involves AI. Well, you will ask me, Felix, what in the world is data annotation means? And after a bit of snooping around on Google, I found out that it is a note of explanation or comment added to a text or diagram. So basically, your work is going to consist of survey-style work, interacting with chatbots, creative writing tasks, and more tests around this sort of thing. Additionally, some of the core projects allow you to take advantage of your areas of expertise or subjects that you like or passionate about. Let's address who this is for. If you are someone who has excellent writing and critical reasoning abilities and is detail-oriented, creative, and self-motivated, then this is for you. Although no specific background experience is necessary to qualify for this type of work. How much of work is going to be available to you? Well, if you qualify for long-running projects and demonstrate high-quality work, there will be virtually unlimited work available to you. The great thing is there are no set hours and you choose when to work, how much to work, and which projects you like to work on. And obviously the answer to the most important question is Data Annotation Tech is paying you from $20 an hour upwards. They will pay you every 3 to 7 days for hourly projects to review your work after you complete it before payments are able to be withdrawn. You'll have to wait for 3 more days before being able to withdraw money again. Remember, this is an hourly gig, so they will pay you for the hours you completed the task. They will pay you directly to your PayPal account. However, you have to be very, very careful not to inflate the hours spent on the tasks, as they will close your account, and if you had some money pending to you, it will be also forfeited. In other words, you will lose it. Data Annotation Tech has its code of conduct, and if you violate it, you will lose the account and ability to withdraw your money. They will not warn you. Obey the code of conduct and log in times correctly. The process of signing up is very, very simple and self-explanatory, so I will not waste your time here to describe it. So let's talk about the obvious negatives. Well, essentially, you're trading your time for money. And it's a job that requires you to log in a lot of hours to make full-time income. And if you want to replace your job, and it's a gig if you're willing to only spend a couple of hours only to earn here and there. In any event, the money you earn is not going to be life-changing unless you're already in the bottom of the pit and nothing is available to you at the moment. Then I guess it's worth doing it. But if you're looking for something transformational, then I can show you my favorite strategy that allows you to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month to start with. I will enclose the link under this video. Click on the link, enter your info, and I will send you information right away, which will take you straight to the training. This is completely free, no need to pay for anything. All you have to do is learn and apply. So that's it for today. And of course, if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this. And I'll see you on another video reviewing another online earning possibility. Bye-bye.